Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I wanted to share a few items that I picked up at the store. I didn't go there, but I went online. I purchased a few Glam items that for some reason I'm obsessed with. I don't know why I'm obsessed with sparkly things all of a sudden, but I picked up a few pillows and some items from GALLERIE on a budget. This is Glam on a budget. I didn't pay nothing full price, all on sale and with a coupon. So let me share with you a few items that I picked up. Okay guys, so first up is my new pillow. This I got off WAYFAIR. This is about 26 by 26, but isn't it gorgeous and sparkly? Because that's what I'm going for. But isn't it nice? I wasn't expecting it to be this nice and soft. It's truly, this was a nice surprise. And then the back of it, this is the back with the zip. I think the zip is right here. The zip is right here, so you could take it off and wash it if you need to. But I think I got this one for $35.99. It's on sale. They're having a sale right now, so now is a nice time to go on WAYFAIR to pick up new pillows if you want to, you know, give a new look to your couch. But isn't this nice? This is really nice. My next pillow that I got was this one. This has like the mermaid sequins on it. I said this would be like the accent piece on the couch. But isn't it nice and sparkly? Yep, that's the sparkle. And Glam. This is Glam on a budget. This I got for 20. This is on a closeout. So I think when these are gone, they're gone. This I got for $28.99. Yeah, this is on a closeout sale on WAYFAIR. But isn't it gorgeous? This is really nice. Yeah, this is gonna be the accent piece on my couch. And then I picked up this nice fluffy shag pillow. Yeah, and this one also has sparkles in it. Not too much, but as you can see in the light, you'll see a little bit of sparkle. Isn't it nice? This is gonna be nice for movie night, especially this one. My daughter and I, we have movie nights on Friday nights, and this is so nice for like cuddling on the couch and snuggling up. Yeah, this will be perfect. But this is so nice. This was a nice surprise. I also picked up this cushion off WAYFAIR. It's a nice circular cushion. I wanted to add a different dimension to the couch and also to the decor. But isn't this nice? This is really nice. This I got, I think this was for $28.99. This is really nice. I like this one. It's nice and soft. And this is a different type of texture from the other shag pillows. This one is nice. I also picked up this candle holder from the GALLERIE. This I got on clearance. This is the last of it. This I got for $24.99. I think, yeah, you can't find this in the stores anymore because this is on a clearance. As you can see, this is the bottom. It's like a cutout. And then this is the top. This is where you put the candle. But isn't it nice? Has that nice 3D effect. But yeah, I said I wanted to get this. Then I also picked this up on sale. This I got from GALLERIE. This is after Christmas sale. This was like 70% off. I think I got it for like $4. And this is going to be on my table. This is going to be a part of my Glam tablescape, as well as the candle holder. Yeah, isn't it pretty? I love it. And I also got this from GALLERIE for about $5. I don't think you could beat this. This is a nice. This was nice. I like this. Yeah, This is going to be a part of my tablescape. Isn't it nice? Last but not least, I picked this up at the Z Gallerie with a coupon. But isn't this nice? This is a really nice candle holder. It goes on the wall. This is really nice. This adds the perfect sparkle that I want to add. If you look, it adds the perfect sparkle. Ooh. This is the perfect sparkle. Yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna place this yet, but I got this, I think I got this 30% off. And here's the back. I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and pick up some hangers that could hold what, 50 pounds. I think I'm gonna go for 50 pounds. I always go really heavy, so just in case the item doesn't fall off the wall, because I don't want this to be ruined. But isn't it gorgeous? This is absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, guys, those were the items that I wanted to share with you. I'm gonna do another video with the pillows in the living room, so stay tuned for that video. I hope you like my items. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, like and subscribe my channel and videos. And you can check me out on Instagram at designer.mom. And you can also reach out to me on Instagram. And also don't forget to comment below. Tell me if you like. Share your glam pieces that you get for your home as well. And I guess I'll see you on the next video. Whew. That was a workout. I need to go to the gym. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one. And don't forget to live life by faith and not by sight.